Hello guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit a basic gaming video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Now, of course, you need to have Premiere Pro. It doesn't matter what year it is. As you can see, I have 2023. Last year, I didn't bother to, just upgrade to this year's. It's the same thing. So what you want to do first is to make sure that you have memes. So with we call this with gaming videos that you want to make for YouTube, it should be interesting or make it interesting. So how do you make it interesting? Most of the time, what works is to make the videos funnier. Like sometimes it is funny, but if you can make it funnier, if you can turn it up a notch, it would be better. So how do you do that? Well, as you can see here, I have downloaded a couple video memes and I have a few Pepe memes. As you can see, I like using Pepe emotes. So we're going to use that. And after that, of course, we need a raw video. As you can see here, we have a raw video here. So once we have all of the elements that we need outside of Premiere Pro, what we want to do is open it, of course, and then just, open a new project. As you can see, it says Untitled here on top. What you want to do next is click on File, click on New. After you click on New, a pop-up will appear. Click on Sequence. So now here, what you want to do is go to Settings. Make sure that your frame size is 1920 by 1080p. So 16 by 9 aspect ratio, of course. That's all you need to find. We are on DSLR here. You could try to look for other things here, but I don't want to touch that because this is important. As you can see here, this is aspect ratio of Facebook. If you're not 1920 by 1080p, you're gonna have those weird like black lines on the side of the video on YouTube. You don't want that. So you need to make sure that you're 1920 by 1080p. So after that, you're all done. As you can see, you have a timeline here now. So what you want to do is either right click and then click import like so, or faster key here is Control I. There you go. And click raw. This is our raw video, right? And then just click and drag here. There you go. So as you can see, this is a Lethal Company playthrough. And the next thing we want to do is, again, Control I. Go to Downloads. This is where our memes are at. Drag and drop everything here. And then click Enter. So that you'll be importing everything you need, right? So after that, what you want to do next is cut all the stuff that you don't need here. So let me open the audio for this on my OBS because since I'm recording this, okay. Right, cut this part. Press C. By the way, C is the cut tool. If you want the cursor or selection, go to V. So those are very important if you're starting out with Premiere Pro. C and V are very important. Right? So after you do that, just drag here, or just click on this and click Ripple Delete. It's going to connect those two, right? Now let's do it again. So when I'm hearing something in this part. So there, what we want to do is we could do a Pepe emote here, right? So let's find the right spot. There you go. And if you want to make this bigger, these clips, just click on this and make this smaller to expand on it, right? So here, what you want to do is, since we've dragged a Pepe emote here, click on this to highlight this, and you look to your left. You have motion, position, scale. So scale is size. So let's make it a bit smaller, like this. And then position, what you want to do is put it here, right? Unlock the power of artificial intelligence with Flicky AI. For a limited time, enjoy 10% off on their monthly plans. Revolutionize your workflow, streamline tasks, and boost productivity with Flicky AI. Don't miss out. Upgrade today and experience the future of automation. Link is on the description below. All right, so after you have positioned that properly, what we want to do next is, again, this is still, the PNG of the meme is still highlighted. Click position here. This is a trick. And then drag it all the way to the way. And then move the PNG like so. Okay. So click back to where, where it's not showing first, and then let's do the playback. Okay, that's pretty cool. And then we just, again, you need to cut off either cut off the whole thing, or what I want to do is maybe cut here again in this highlighted part, right click, and what you want to do is speed duration, click on that. So normal speed is 100%. If we can do this for like 400, it's going to be shorter because, again, it becomes shorter. So what you want to do next is either drag this to connect with this, or it's very easy, right click, ripple effect, ripple delete, I mean. So now what you want to do is like, so this is another good spot where you want to add another meme. So what we want to do is do this, right? And then so up to where the bug is at, maybe up to here. So what we want to do here is we're going to do something different. So this is highlighted again, and what we want to do is let's make it bigger. Let's go for the first frame. There you go. Click opacity, right? Opacity at here, right? And then just make it right. And after that, click on scale, make it bigger, right? Maybe this side. As you can see, it fades in. So let's so we can use another meme because I know I'm gonna get damage here. So let's put another cut here because nothing is happening. All right. As you can see, it got aggro. And here, what we want to do is let's use the x-axis, I guess, and pull it down in position. And while he's chasing us, we just do pull it up and go all the way up, right? Makes it a bit funnier. There, it's kind of funny, right? And here, there's something we can do. Nope. Let's cut the nopes here. And here, the reason why we cut is because we're going to add the no. Yep. Right, so how do you add text? You see this menu bar here? It's the T. Before it was you need to go to File or New and then Legacy something. But now with 2023 and newer, the text here is just here. So click on this, put the nope here, and as you can see, just do that and double click on it so you could actually write the nope, right? Nope. So what you want to do is Control A to highlight, and here you want to change the text to something big, so maybe show card Gothic, right? And then what you want to do again here on this menu here for the text is see appearance. It says fill, so the fill is white. You want that to be maybe yellow. Yeah, maybe this. And then you have stroke. It says white, right? Seems okay. Let's put this at 10. Make it better. Actually, wait, 10? No, it's not. Okay, so you need highlight first. Put 10 to make it more noticeable, so you could read it better. And then what you want to do next is you click on this toggle animation for scale. Scale or the size of the font. You do this, right? And then you just drag this to wherever you want. So this. So that's the first note. And then we're just gonna copy that, and let's make it. Let's make the two nopes different. So click on this. Oh, not that. Okay. So here, make it bigger a little bit, and then again make this bigger again. Right? So you get what I mean. Let's continue doing it. There's 4 more. So this one bigger, but let's put this somewhere here. Go. And then here, add that. Now let's make it a bit smaller this time. Let's put it here. Right. And then afterwards, let's make it bigger again. Put it on this side. And then the last would be smaller, put it a bit center. That, and the last thing is let's change the color of this. Edit. This. Right here, what you want to do is just so let's just make a new one for here. A big nope, right? Nope. But let's make this time, let's make it all the way big. Let's make it red. Make it funnier. Right? Okay, so the red didn't take again. You have to remember to highlight. Let's see that. Yep, see? Right? Yep, that's pretty good. Yep. Okay, so next what you want to do is just, continue doing something like this, and eventually you'll be able to cut the meat, make it funnier. Let's cut this, make it shorter. Let's cut that again. Wait, why is it? So here we could just do this, right? So unlink. So we could use that, right? And what we want to do is we don't want to get this, this thing, the watermark for this guy. Let's just do this, right? And what you get is over here. Right? So it's just adding certain things like that, certain elements to make it funnier, to make it more interesting. And after that, you can just put like a call to action. And just after you finish everything, what you want to do, as you can see, there's a yellow bar here. So what you want to do next is go to sequence here on top left, click on it, a drop down will appear, render into out, and here you're going to be able to just render everything. After that, what you want to do next is you want to export. So after you export, click file, click on export, click on media, right? After that screen, and format is H.264. The location, you can just like add a name here, right? So let's say game video or something. It's gonna be called the game video, and just click export. Depends on how big your file is or how long the video is. If it's a bit shorter, it's gonna take shorter to export. If it's a long video, it's gonna take a longer time to export. So yeah, so you watch it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next one.